So hey everyone, this is Rohit and welcome back to my channel Web Light Builders. So in previous video, we have built this e-commerce website. So in today's video what we are going to do, I am going to show you step-by-step tutorial how you can deploy your React app easily on Netlify, and that is absolutely free. Okay, so if you have built a React project and want to make it live for world to see, this tutorial is just for you. So make sure you stick around till the end for some bonus tips to make your deployment even smoother. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do right now, I will go to github.com. Okay, and if you don't have an account, you can create your account here first. Okay, so I have an account. So what I will do, I will click on new. Okay, I will create a new repository here, and I will give it a name, Zaptro -YT. Okay, so I'm giving it a name, it's Zaptro YT. Okay, and don't do any changes here, just scroll down and click on create repository. Okay, so click here, and then what you need to do, you just need to copy this command git init. I'm just copying it. Okay, and then go to your VS Code and open your terminal, and you just need to paste it here. Okay, so git init. Okay, and after that you need to add all the file and folders here. So you need to write here git space add space dot. Okay, so it will add your all the folders here. Okay, and the next command you need to write there, that is for your commit. Okay, so I will copy it, git commit m first commit. Okay, and I will paste it here. Then I will go and copy the next command, and this will change your branch from master to main. Okay, so I will paste it here, and look here, the branch is changed right now. Okay, so go ahead and I will just copy it again, this link, and then I will paste it here, and this will link my project to this repository. Okay, and then I will push that project in my GitHub. Copy here, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so right now my code is pushed in the GitHub account. Okay, so I will refresh the page. You can see our code here. Okay, so that's great. So what I'm going to do right now, I will open a new tab, and I will search for netlify.com. then I will log in here, and if you don't have an account, you log in here and create an account. Okay, so I am logging with GitHub. Okay, you can choose anyone. Then what I will do, I will create an add new site, and I will click on import an existing project. Okay, so I will choose here GitHub, and you need to choose your repository here. Okay, so I will choose Zaptro-YT. Okay, but it is not here, so I need to configure Netlify on GitHub. So I'm giving a click on that, and I will put my password here, GitHub password. Okay, and then click on confirm. Okay, then I will give permission of my particular repository to the Netlify. Okay, so I will select a repository here, Zaptro-YT. Okay, and then click on save. Alright, then now I will select here, and I will give it a name, Zaptro 93300. Okay, so this site name is available. Okay, so I will go and I will scroll down and give a click on deploy. Okay, deploy Zaptro 93300. Okay, so site deploy in progress. So you need to wait for a moment. Okay, so it will take few moments. Okay, it's building right now. Okay, so our site is ready now, so I will give a click on open production deploy. Okay, and our site is ready now. Okay, you can see a URL here, so our site is live. Okay, so first of all, congratulations for your first React app deployment. But there is some problem. Okay, let me show you that problem. Like whenever you change your page and do a refresh, then you see this page not found error. Okay, and this makes a very bad impression when you have to show your project to someone, right? So you don't need to worry about that. Like, I will help you to fix this problem right now. So what I will do, I will go to the VS Code again, and I will close all the folders first. Okay, and I will go to the root, and I will create a file. Okay, I will create a file named netlify.2ml. okay, new file, that is netlify.2ml. okay, and you have to create it in root. Okay, so I will create it, and then what I will write here, and I will write here, give a bracket. Okay, redirects. Okay, from star. Okay, and I will write here 2 equal to index.html. index.html. okay, and I will put the status equal to 200. okay, so what is happening here, like whenever you change your page and do a refresh, then it will like redirect this path from to index.html. okay, so whatever page is this, so when you refresh, it will automatically comes into a index.html path. Okay, so that's it. So right now what I will do, I will pull this code again. I will go here, and so I will put a command here, git commit and I will write here second commit. Okay, then I will click on enter, and then I will push again, git push you origin main. Okay, alright, so I will go and check again in our GitHub. Okay, okay, you can see here second commit. Okay, so just wait for a moment to update this like new repo here. Okay, in Netlify, and once it is uploaded, so it will like rebuild that application here, and you can see in your application. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so you can see now I'm in product page. I'm in another page right now, and I'm just refreshing the page, so nothing is happening. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.